In this video, we're comparing Exness versus JustMarkets versus Delta Exchange in 2025 to help you choose the best platform for your trading needs. Each of these platforms offers unique features, so let's break them down. Exness. Exness is a highly regarded broker known for its Forex, CFDs, and cryptocurrency offerings. It caters to traders of all experience levels with its advanced tools and low spreads. Pros: regulated in major jurisdictions like the UK and Cyprus. Wide range of account types including ECN and STP for low spreads. Advanced trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 MT4 and MetaTrader 5 MT5. 24/7 customer support and great educational resources. Offers flexible leverage options. Cons: withdrawal fees for certain payment methods. Not available in some countries due to regulatory restrictions. JustMarkets. JustMarkets is a versatile broker with a focus on Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced traders, offering competitive spreads and multiple account types. Pros: low spreads and various trading instruments. User-friendly platform options, including MetaTrader 4. Islamic accounts available for Muslim traders. Offers a demo account for practice. Low minimum deposit and supports a variety of deposit and withdrawal options. Cons: limited educational resources compared to other platforms. Some users report issues with withdrawal times. Delta Exchange. Delta Exchange is a platform specialized in crypto derivatives, making it ideal for those who want to trade futures, options, and perpetual swaps in the crypto space. Pros: wide range of crypto derivatives with options and futures trading. Competitive fees and flexible leverage options. Offers staking and lending services for passive income. High liquidity on crypto pairs. Cons: focus primarily on cryptocurrencies, which limits options for traditional asset traders. More suited for experienced crypto traders due to the complexity of its products. Limited fiat support compared to other brokers. Conclusion: Exness is best suited for traders looking for traditional assets, including Forex, CFDs, and cryptocurrencies, with a regulated environment and advanced tools. JustMarkets is ideal for those who want low spreads in Forex and cryptocurrency trading, with flexible account types and an easy-to-use interface. Delta Exchange shines in the crypto derivative space, offering futures, options, and perpetual swaps, making it the perfect choice for crypto traders who want to take their trading to the next level. Each platform has its own strengths, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize traditional assets, Forex trading, or crypto derivatives. Always do your research and trade responsibly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you next time.